Hello everyone, this is Kristen. So in today's video I am going to be doing my eye makeup with this Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Iceland Fire and Ice palette. I did get this a long time ago. Just haven't used it. So this is a beautiful palette. I'm going to get it up close here to you. Super pretty, super pretty. I did use these two blues here, and then I used that lighter purple. I don't know if that's duochrome, but I used that, and then I used a little bit of that one, and then I think I used this one too later on that I didn't, maybe I didn't show in the video, but anyways, yeah, and I did that same cut crease thing that I've done in my last two makeup videos, so excited about that. This is the second time I've done this introduction, but anyways, yes, I do love colorful makeup. I do unboxings here on this channel. So I am going to come out with a shorts video too of the way I did the cut crease, so you don't have to watch that if you're not interested. I've been experimenting with the shorts. Meh. And just a little update too on my arm and my vaccine. I actually woke up feeling a lot better today. Not like 100%, but my arm, it's still warm, but the swelling is going down, so that's a good thing. I don't really feel it in my arm anymore. Yeah, that's about all I have to say. So. And as a thank you to those who do watch my videos, I'm not announcing this, but I'm going to do a secret giveaway, and all you have to do is comment down below. Just comment down below, let me know how your day is going, let me know if you have a new video out, what book you're reading, I don't know what sci-fi show you're watching. Snowpiercer's a good one to catch up on. They're currently filming season 3. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, secret giveaway, so leave a comment down below. And then if you are the winner, let's say I'll choose the winner in a week. So what is a week? Gotta look here. On the 26th, let's say next Monday, so the 26th. And then the last thing I wanted to say was one of my subscribers started her own YouTube channel, so you should go check her out. Her YouTube channel, I hope I'm saying her last name right. It is Erica Conger. I'm going to leave a link to her first video down below, and yeah, that's all. That is all I have to say. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have the video start now. Please give this video a like. If you do nothing else, just give it a like. It helps get seen by more people. And again, also comment down below for my secret giveaway, and of course subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the video, and don't forget I upload every single day at the latest 10 a.m.